Hey guys, welcome to CoET. In this video, we are going to talk about HTML tables, inserting tables in your HTML project on your web page. Tables are information that are gathered or are data that is mostly gathered in rows and columns that people can use on their web page. So we are going to talk about tables, HTML tables in this video. So the first thing, if you are constructing tables in HTML, the first tag you use is the table tag. But before using the table tag, let's get the heading of the HTML table. So we could say students names or students information. So the next thing, if you are constructing tables in HTML, the first tag you need to use is the table tag. So this table tag will definitely tell the web page that yes, we are about to construct table. So after the table tag, the next tag we use because we are constructing tables in rows. So we use the row, the T arrow. The T arrow is for rows, table rows. So in each row we have some data that we are putting, but the first thing is we need to get the heading of the table, right? The head of the table. So to get the head of the table, we use the th, which stands for table head. So since we are getting list of students or students informations, the first thing we need to get in the head here is the name, the student name, where we will put the student name. So in the head section again, the next thing we need to get is the age. Maybe we put the student age. We could just do copy and paste. Maybe if we need like 4 or 5 data, we just do copy and paste. After the age, maybe we need the country the person from. And the next thing we need in the head, we need the person gender. So right now we are done with the head section of the table. So after the head section, we have some subdivisions. So we get another T arrow tag, which stands for table head, and in this table, which stands for table row, and in the other row we are doing it like for the first row we have the table's head. So beneath the table head we have another section. So the first data you will put in the other section of the table head or of the table row, it will go under the name section. The second one will go under the age. The third one will go under the country. The fourth one will go under the gender. So to put the table data, we have TD. We use the TD tag to put the table data. So under names, the first name we have, maybe we could say Emmanuel, and we could copy this table data again. We paste it down, and the age of Emmanuel, maybe we say 16. We paste this here, and we say the country Emmanuel is from. Emmanuel is from Rwanda. And the next one we want to do is the gender of Emmanuel. So Emmanuel is a male. We could copy this data area and paste again just to fasten the process. Okay, maybe we need like 4 data in our table. So the next name is Thomas. We have Thomas age. Thomas is 15. We have, yes, Thomas is from China, and Thomas is a male. So we need the next name. Maybe we have Jessica. Jessica is 18 years old. Jessica is from Liberia. and Jessica is a female. So lastly, we will have the last name we will have here. So maybe we could get another female name. We say Manja. Manja is 20 years old. Manja is from Ghana and she's a female. So we save. We have constructed our table in our HTML project so we can check it in the browser. We refresh. So as you can see, they are structured like the way we needed it. We have the students information, we have the names of students, and under the name we have Emmanuel, Thomas, and other people. We have the age, we have the country, and we have the gender. But if you observe right now, our table is not showing, like the border and whatsoever thing is not showing. They are not showing because we have not instructed the HTML to do. So the first thing we need to do if we want for our table to show, we come back in our Sublime. There are a few attributes in the tables that I want you to get. So the first thing is the background color. So we say BG color. The BG color, maybe we say black. This is the general color for the entire table. Then we have the width. The width will indicate the width of the entire table. So maybe we say 400 pixels. That's the width of the table. Then we come to the hair section of the table. So we want the background color of the table, the hair section of the table to be gray. And yes, we want it to be gray. And each row, each section of the table, we wanted to have a width of 100 pixels. So we just copy the width of this and paste it in every section and save. We check our browser to see how it looks right now. As you can see, we have the background color of the table to be black, and the hair section of the table, the background color is gray. So you cannot see the other columns or everything because we have not specified how we want the table to be in that section. So we can come back to our Sublime editor, and this row we want it to be the background color, we want it to be white, and we can copy and paste all these weight because we want them to have the same weight. So we can copy and paste all this weight so that they can have the same weight. So we come here again, the same thing. The background color we want it to be white. Okay, we come to we want the background color to be white, and we want all the width. We come back again to the last one. We want the background color to be white, and we want all the width to be the same. So we save it and come into our browser and refresh. As you can see, okay, we need the last row we need it to be. So we have, this is the second. Yeah, you see the black is still there, so we should check it out. The second, okay, we have the background color to be white, the weight, everything. So we need to figure out what's the problem here. So we have Emmanuel, okay, it was the second. We need to check the second. The name is not there, so we mistakenly remove the name. So we have to put the name there so that Okay, so when we save and come into our browser and refresh, so as you can see, we have all of the columns in our tables. We have all of them to be working, and you can see that we have a table right now in our HTML project. But one of the things I want to share with you is to put these items in the center, in the middle of the table, of the table columns and rows. So what we need to do, all we need to do is to set the align item. Then change this Emmanuel to Thomas. Okay, is to set the align items. So the align of the table row. So we say align center. We want it to be in the center of. Okay, so we come in. We do the same for every row, every table row. We move down to the next row. We want so we save and go back into our browser and refresh. As you can see, all of the items in the subdivisions of the tables are in the center. So right now we have our HTML tables, and you can change the color to whatever, and you can change the colors to whatever colors you want by using the background color. For example, if we come to the table and remove the black and put maybe red and save, you come into our browser and refresh. As you can see, we have a red line, but I think the black is okay, so we use the black and come back and refresh. As you can see, we have the black color and we have the black border around our tables. We have our headings to be in gray background, and we have all of our writing, all of our subdivisions, all of our items to be in a black with a white background. So this is the tables that we have created in HTML. You could do whatever, or you can change the colors and do whatever you want to do, or you make the table, you will expand the table. So this is how you build table in your HTML project. As an HTML developer on your web project, this is how you build table. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Happy coding.